Alright, here we go. This is what I think the rattling is. And the heat shield. As you can see, it's loose all the way down. Oh, there you go.